SECO Inspiration Through Innovation event. Once again, Leader Chuck have got a stand here, having great success. Now, Workholding Solutions, that's what you do, isn't it?
It is always all workholding. As you can see, Colin, we've got a large range here from Autogrip Chucks, Piranha Vices, Heimbach workholding systems, Orange Vices, and balance systems for looking at vibration, temperature on spindles. What I want to talk to you today is the Leader Llambrich range.
I recognise this 2 years ago at AMB, is that right, where you were showcasing
Absolutely right. We showcased that and I think that's where we started our association with Llambrich. Today we've had a real breakthrough. We've had a guy come on from the veterinary industry, and he's looking at, obviously, a chuck that is capable of operating within surgical places.
Okay, so I'm thinking straight away, slightly different parameters because it's medical, veterinary. Any sort of accreditation required?
Oh yes, there are, and this is one of the very few chucks that has ISO 13485.
Good, I thought I'd remember, but you got that right, 13485. Only one in the world, I understand.
It is the only one in the world.
Okay.
And
so
it's
what makes this different then?
right. This particular chuck, as you can feel, it is extremely tactile. You can work with it with rubber gloves. It's made in stainless steel. It's been autoclaved, which means that it needs to be cleaned and sterilized under high pressure and high temperature. That will withstand it.
Okay, so medical sector, veterinary sector, going to be using this sterilisation regularly. This can take that.
Absolutely, Colin, absolutely. Now, the main features of it are that it's keyless. It's hand operated.
Can you get the right tension and torque in there though?
Oh yes, because what happens with it is when you tighten it up, the chuck's in the machine. As the machine rotates, it automatically tightens. So what you've got there is a self-tightening operation. So you nip it up, it's on the machine, revolution start, it's foolproof.
Okay. When you say revolutions, what will this go up to?
Well, this particular one goes up to 65,000 revs per minute, which is a huge speed.
So any sort of issues with concentricity run out?
Oh, absolutely none. It's one of the most accurate pieces of chucking equipment for that particular range that you could ever wish for. It's specially designed for the medical and the surgical industries.
Okay. And what sort of diameter tooling will it hold?
Well, it starts at 0.3 and goes up to 7.4.
So huge range. That's just one example of a huge range of the work holding you've got in here.
Absolutely.
Just a quick summary on this one.
This one, I think this one has a great future for Leader, because it puts us into a completely different industry than we've been in before.
Well, that's great, and what we do look forward to is once the vet's tried it out, going up and seeing him and finding out how well it works.
Excellent, Colin, I'll let you know. Thank you.